Hello friends, I am Nancy. This is the Hot Wheels color shifter car Muscle Tone. Now we can see the overview of this car. The color shifter car Muscle Tone. The normal color of this car is white. To change the color, dip this car into a cold water or keep this car in a refrigerator to change this color. This car changes white to violet when we keep this car in a refrigerator. Back view. Bottom view, made in Thailand. The body of the color shifter car is made up of plastic and the bottom of the car is made up of steel. In all color shifter cars, this is the situation. Now we can change the color of the car by keeping this car in a refrigerator for some minutes. Finally, the color of the car has changed into violet. Initially it was white, now it has become violet. Overview. Thank you for watching this video.